Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 4. We are namely Muhammad Rizky, Muhammad Ibrahim, and Naufal Mubarak. Today we shall discuss measurement technique. Okay, the first one will be read out immediately myself. Measurement technique. Measurement is a series of the activity that aim to determine the value of a quantity in the form of the quantitative figures. So measuring is a process of the association number empirically with objective standards on the properties of the object or real awareness as a high as those obtained can provide a clear picture of the object or even being measured. Unit of measurement. International System of Unit. Le System Internationale de Units. The basic unit is a unit of measurement for a basic quantity in a system of physical measurements. Definition and realization, and each basic unit can change with metrological research that can find the possibility of achieving a more accurate definition and the realization of these physical quantities. Base unit SL. Measuring activities can be interpreted as a provide of comparing an object to the relevant standard by following the regulation related to quantity derivative unit symbols. Long meters m, weight kilogram kg, time second s, electric current amperes a, thermodynamic temperature Kelvin k, amount of substance mol, light intensity candela CD. The aim to be able to provide a clear picture of the object by carrying out the measurement process. You can 1. Create a picture through the characteristic of an object or process. 2. Stabilize communication between designer, implementers of manufacture, quality tester, and various other related parties. 3. Predict will happen. 4. Take control so that something that will happen can be in accordance with the designer expectation. Measurement method. In general, the measurement method is to compare the measured quantity to the standard of the comparison process is carried out, among which must be known the basic concept of the quantity that is carried out, the physical theorem about this quantity, specification of the equipment to be used for the measurement, the staging for process carried out, the sequence of steps that must be done, operator qualification in environmental conditions.
Instrument. To carry out measurement activities, we need a device called an instrument. A measuring tool, so an instrument is something that is used to help the sense to carry out the measurement process. For example, in a car, a manometer or pressure gauge to measure air pressure in tires, thermometer or to measure engine temperature, a speedometer or to measure speed, a level meter or a gauge of fuel in a tank, a pH meter or to measure the degree of acidity in a battery, and so on. Instrument or measuring tool consists of many types, which can also be grouped through discipline or physical quantities, including is 1. Dimensional measuring tools is ruler, caliper, micrometer, angle bar, measuring bar. 2. Profile projector, universe measuring machine. 3. Measuring instrument mass scale, electronic temperature set. For mechanical measuring instrument is tachometer, torquemeter, stroboscope. 5 physical measuring instrument is measuring cup, densitometer, visometer, flowmeter. 6 electrical measuring instrument is voltmeter, ammeter, Wheatstone bridge. Temperature measuring instrument is glass thermometer and PRT. 7 optical measuring instrument is luxmeter, photometer, spectrometer. Next, Bang. Part of measuring instrument. Broadly speaking, a that is divided into three main components, namely 1 sensor of failure, 2 signal converter or processor or transducer, 3 record.
Measurement data retrieval. Data collection is part of the measurement process that requires high accuracy or similarity. Because this activity is always preceded by possibility or difficulty in repeating the measurement process if the data that has been obtained has error. Data retrieval element. In the data collection process, three are elements involved, namely measuring object, measuring standard, measuring instrument, measurement operator, environment. Measurement example. Measuring the battery voltage. How to measure it? Position the multitester pointer in the voltmeter position. Connect the positive wire of the multitester to the positive of the battery. Then connect the negative wire of the multitester back to the negative terminal of the battery. If the battery voltage is below 12 volt, is hold the recharge.